Hello everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney, and we are once again at Hollywood Studios trying out the Sci-Fi Diner.
They put some new things on their menu as of like June 1st, June 2nd, so we are super excited to try some of these new things.
Yeah, let's head in and get our sci-fi on.
Yum, yum. It's time for a tasty and refreshing snack.
Taking a quick look at the menu here, there are 3 new appetizers. We have those smoked wings for $15, that black garlic Caesar for $11, and that spinach and artichoke dip for $13. And the 3 new entrees as well. We have that grilled chicken citrus for $18, that feature film for $24, and that pork on pork burger for $22.50.
We promise to satisfy your hunger, your thirst, your sweet tooth. So visit our refreshment center now. Let's go!
Okay, so we decided to try one of the new appetizers on the menu. So these are the Sci-Fi smoked wings. These are smoked chicken wings tossed in a porter barbecue sauce with a house-made pineapple and poppy seed coleslaw. Let's take a look at this here. So these look awesome.
So I'm just trying in those barbecue chicken wings, and I really like the flavor on the chicken wings a lot. The chicken itself, the wings, have lots of chicken on them, which I approve of. And then that coleslaw, it's got a good mix of creaminess with that poppy seed dressing. And then I love the flavor with the pineapple and the other things. So there's lots of good stuff with it. But yeah, it's really good. I really like these chicken wings a lot.
All right, so I want to talk about these new wings on the menu. So I love the wings. The sauce on them is fantastic. It's got a great smokiness to that barbecue sauce. So the wings are a perfect win. The coleslaw I could kind of do without the coleslaw. It wasn't very creamy, and I really like the creamy coleslaw. So the coleslaw was a no for me. The wings were definitely the star of the dish. 15 I thought was maybe a little expensive for only getting 4 wings. It was definitely an appetizer that was for no more than 2 with just 4 wings. But all in all, I think a great dish.
So I grabbed the feature film burger. It is basically a surf and turf. So it's a signature blend of beef and house-made seasoning served on a brioche bun. It's topped with a shrimp and crab cake. And then it also has pepper jack cheese melted over the top of it, chipotle hollandaise sauce drizzled over it, grilled onions, heirloom tomatoes, arugula, a house-made vinaigrette. So lots of yummy things, and this is served with fries.
All right, and I went with the pork on pork burger. So this is grilled house-made pork patty topped with roasted pork belly, white sharp cheddar, caramelized onions, cabbage slaw, and a house-made Carolina mustard sauce. And this runs $22.50. And we found out Katie's burger ran $24. So these look fantastic. We're ready to dive in and tell you how they taste. All right, so we want to talk about our burgers. So we got in Sci-Fi. It's getting pretty dark in there, made it kind of hard to see. So we thought we'd move outside and discuss them.
Yes, you can see our pretty faces even more out here. So my burger was phenomenal. I really, really enjoyed the surf part of it, would be like the fishy part of it. So if you don't like fish or seafood, you're not gonna like this burger. But I really enjoyed the shrimp and crab cake. It was the most yummiest shrimp and crab cake I had ever had in my life. I would have liked to see a little bit more sauce in the burger. It was like a creamy hollandaise sauce, but I wanted to see a little bit more of it because the server was just talking up how yummy it was. But I know it gets kind of messy if you have too much sauce on your burger, but it was great.
Yeah, I tried a bite of it, and it was a great burger. It's definitely something I'd have to try again in the future. As far as my pork on pork burger, I really enjoyed that a lot. I love the fact that it wasn't beef, but it was a pork burger. That made it a lot more juicy, I think, with the extra fat of the pork, which made it enjoyable. And then the pork belly on top seemed more like pulled pork to me. But that was okay. It made it really good. And the sauce that was on there was kind of a Carolina mustardy sauce, which I'm usually not into mustard, but that was a really good sauce. I really enjoyed it a lot. So it was a great burger overall. I think it's a great addition to the menu. I know it's one they had kind of as a special burger in the past, but they brought it back as kind of a permanent burger on the menu. I think it's definitely a win. Definitely one I really enjoyed, and definitely one I'd probably get again.
Yeah, some good additions to their menu for sure.
All right, so that's going to wrap it up for our time here at the Sci-Fi. A great experience overall. What'd you think?
Lots of yummy food from appetizer to entree. I enjoyed it all.
Yeah, I did too. Great additions to the menu. Look forward to coming back and dining at the Sci-Fi once again.
It's a fun place to be. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take a moment, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube family, and until next time, we will
See you real soon. Bye, guys.